Hi guys, welcome back to Discover Zone. Today we're going to be making these cute confetti bookmarks. These are super fun and easy to make, so let's get started. The items you will need is a clear sheet protector, some scissors, a variety of confetti, and an iron. First, cut a rectangle piece out of your sheet protector. Now iron down all of the sides except for one. Now that it's ironed, cut off the excess. Now fill it with confetti. Now you want to iron down the top of it. If you want to put a ribbon in it, make a hole and add your ribbon. Your bookmark is now done. These are so cute and fun to put in your book. The confetti just makes it so fun, and you can wiggle it around and it makes ASMR. So thanks for watching this, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and follow us on Instagram. Bye, guys.